You contact Cecil. Have a good day.
Cessna Tower, you too. 1 Delta Whiskey.
We're heading down to 5,000 feet. We're in the descent. Heading into 28 Juliet. Got an overcast layer about 3,000 down to 2,000. And it's going to be a sunset flight.
Convoy 4561, contact Jack Center 124.67, good day.
This is the continuation of the flight from Washington, D.C. in December of 2020. Long flight, 4 hours and about 5 or 6 minutes. And this is the landing portion, which happens to be IMC, and so I'm playing it without interruptions or without cuts. Here you go.
And 1 Pop Juliet, contact Jack Approach 118.6. Approach sensor 50, established point mat, time 2226, altitude 8,000. Right. Number 846, contact approach 118.17. Have a good day.
118.17, thanks for the help, 69846.
CD 505, long clear, thanks.
And Jack, Twin Cessna 69846 with you, out of 6 for 5,000.
Cessna 69846, Jack approach, the Gainesville altimeter 2999er. Expect a visual approach, just from you about man weather.
846 has the weather, and we'll expect a visual approach, 69846.
Was that 212 Charlie Hotel? Governor 2 Charlie Hotel, 8 from proceed direct Charlotte Airport.
We're listening in on the channel for Palatka to see if anybody's flying. With an overcast, generally cuts the traffic down to 1 or 2 folks that are around the airport, or maybe none.
So here's where the aeronautical decision making comes into play. I thought that I would go ahead and take a look-see, that is, fly direct to the airport down to about 1,800 feet and see what the conditions were like. The earlier weather report was for...
6946, can we descend on down to 2,000?
846, maintain 2,000, one airport, site 12 o'clock, 15 miles.
Down to 2,000, we'll report airport in sight, 6946.
North 631, Charlie Bravo, just going to maintain 6,000.
As I was saying, the earlier report was that it would be about 2,000 feet and 3 statute miles visibility.
951, Papa Bravo, Papa Juliet is going to maintain 8,000.
Approach November 180 Sierra is 2903 Delta active.
2903, all of it is fairly cold.
Thank you so much. 180 Kilo Sierra.
From 180 Kilo Sierra, so maintain 3,000.
Yeah, maintain 3,000, 180 Kilo Sierra.
lose the sun.
Pilot country traffic, 40 Tango, turning left downwind, runway 36.
Air 631 Charlie Bravo, so maintain 5,000. Or 89846, flight report 12 o'clock, 10 miles, when report in sight, withdraw for cancellation.
We'll report airport in sight and cancel with you once we get it in sight.
November 111, Mike Romeo, contact camp approach, 119.9er.
Well, you got to get through this layer first.
Okay. November 212, Charlie Hotel, contact Jax approach, 124.9er, good day.
124.9. Tango is approximately 10 miles east of the field, 3,000 feet. We're positioning straight in runway 36, very forward.
Turn 631 Charlie Bravo, it's going to maintain 4,000. Air 631 Charlie Bravo, contact Daytona approach, 118.85, good day.
And
Air 69846, airport 12 o'clock, 5 miles.
846, we're still IMC.
Air 69846, maintain 1,800.
1,800, 6946.
Romeo Tango Jax approach, change altimeter to 999. Air 560 Romeo Tango, roger, keep your recommend this far now. Six. 3 now.
And we got nothing at 1,800. And 69846, why don't we go ahead and do the RNAV 9 for Palatka.
69846, turn right heading 280, coming King 1000.
280, 3,000, 6946.
Air 521 Bravo Uniform Jax approach, change altimeter 2 triple miners, going to maintain 7,000, 6,000, 6,000.
4 miles southeast of the field, 1,500.
905 Charlie Whiskey County, 35.37. For 951 Papa Julia, do you have a flight map you're running? Going to maintain 5,000.
Flagger traffic, maybe Hogan 707, 9 miles to the northeast of Upper Powderware Flag.
So we're going to head back up to 3,000 feet. And we're going to do the RNAV.
So the drop down and look-see down to 800 feet revealed nothing. So with that in mind, the prudent approach is to take the instrument approach into the airport. And I asked ATC to give me the RNAV 9, and that's what we're setting up for now.
Air 521 Bravo uniform, just going to maintain 4,000. If you could, no delay through 8,000 for some traffic south of your position.
Traffic, white 215, 43, Tango, turning 3 mile funnel, runway 36, touch, go, careful.
Turn 951 Papa Juliet, say again. Turn 951 Papa Juliet, affirmative, proceed direct Crystal River Airport, Charlie Golf Charlie, then direct Brooksville.
The weather at the airport had indeed been deteriorating, and here's a look at what a nearby airport, St. Augustine, about 25 to 30 miles away along the coast. Here's their weather and why we decided to use the RNAV 9 and go with the RNAV 9 approach.
69846, turn right heading at 310.
310, 6946.
Traffic, Tango, 12 mile, runway 36, touch, go, careful.
Citation 560 Romeo Tango traffic, 12 o'clock, 10 miles southwest on BE 33 at 900,000. Once you pass them, I'll get you lower.
Approach 65358, 3000, direct your run.
Or 65358, Jax approach, cancel altimeter 299, roger, expect to RNAV runway 27.
Left controller cleared me direct your run for the RNAV 9.
I'm sorry for the RNAV runway 9, please be direct your
58, roger, direct your run.
For 951 Papa Juliet, just going to maintain 3,000. For 69846, turn left heading 270.
270, 6946.
Air 521 Bravo uniform, contact Daytona approach 118.85, good day.
And for 6946, you just want to go direct your run?
For 69846, if you want, you can proceed direct Jura for the RNAV runway 9.
We can do direct Jura and pick up the RNAV from there. All right, so we're going to do that.
Pilot, country pilot. Pilot country traffic, 40 Tango, turning left downwind, runway 36.
Select traffic, TV helicopter 707, left downwind, runway 9, flag it.
For 69846, do you want to do the turn for Jura to line up?
Turning now for Jura, and then we're going to pick up by Cook after that.
Roger. Air 560 Romeo Tango is going to maintain 5,000. Safety 505, contact Orlando approach 135.3. For 951 Papa Juliet, if you're not already, change my frequency 118.6. 69846 will mount south, you're cleared RNAV runway 9 approach. When able, report canceling on fire with me this frequency, otherwise I have a phone number if you'd like to copy.
846, give me a phone number, please.
Alright, phone number 904-741-0284.
904-741. 904-741.
Yep, 904-741, then 0284.
0284, 69846.
69846, change advisor frequency approved.
846, thank you.
And 69846, if able, just let me know the basis, because it's about 15 minutes in trail of the Skylane, but attempt to do the RNAV runway 9 as well.
Will do, 69846. Alright. Now, we're getting our
180 Kilo Sierra, selecting 2.
ourselves cleaned up here.
180 Kilo Sierra.
Star 560 Romeo Tango, so maintain 3000. When able, change my frequency 118.17.
Palatka traffic, Twin Cessna's 10 miles to the west, landing 9, Palatka. All around. All right.
Flex traffic, Navy helicopter 707 is on the go, runway 9, flex traffic.
Palatka traffic, Twin Cessna is 8 mile final for 9 on an RNAV, Palatka. Go through the checklist. There comes the glide slope. And put our gear and flaps down.
Flex traffic, Navy helicopter 707, flex downwind for runway 9, flex traffic.
American traffic Cessna 6 Foxtrot Alpha is about 7 miles north of field, bound to over 5 km and left runway for runway 23, bearing planning.
Flex traffic, Navy helicopter 707, west base, runway 9, flex traffic.
And Palatka traffic, Twin Cessna is 6 mile final, runway 9, Palatka. The tops appear to be right at 2,000. And I'm not talking that much, fellows, because I am concentrating.
Black traffic, Navy helicopter 727 is on the go, runway 9, black traffic.
Alright, we're at 1,300. About 3 miles to go. 1,000. Coming up.
Background traffic, west incline is 3 miles north of the field, inbound for flight field, left downwind for runway 23.
And there it is. The breakout. With the bases at 800.
Black traffic, Navy helicopter 707, left downwind, runway 9, black up.
And Palatka traffic, Twin Cessna is 1.5 miles final for 9. Switch back over. And Jacksonville, Twin Cessna 69846, we'd like to cancel with you, and the bases are at 800 feet.
Romeo Tango, confirm clear for road. Clear.
We'll have to call him on the phone.
Palatka traffic, Navy helicopter 707, left base, runway 9, black up.
Traffic not available.
Not my best work, but hey. At a time like this, we'll take it. And Palatka traffic, Twin Cessna is clear, runway 9, Palatka. Let's see if we can raise them. Jax approach, Twin Cessna 69846.